Hello everyone, this is Dr. G. Anita Hepzibah, Department of Chemistry, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today we have an interesting topic to learn, that is agrotextiles. This is one of the kind of functional textiles what we were discussing in the previous videos. What do you mean by the term agricultural textiles or agrotextiles? These are a class of technical textiles specifically designed to improve crop yield, to protect plants, and to support other various agricultural operations. What is this agricultural textiles? These textiles are actually permeable fabrics which are used in farming, horticulture, to increase the productivity, to protect crops, soil, and also livestock. They are usually made from polypropylene, polyester, jute, which are biodegradable, and coir fibers. These materials, they are durable in nature, UV resistant, and also sometimes biodegradable. Why we have to go for agrotextiles? What is the need for agrotextiles? Today, agriculture faces lot of challenges and problems. We have an unpredictable climate. The farmer predicts some monsoon and he goes for a kind of crop in his farm. But the monsoon fails, the productivity in the farm, the particular farm also is very less. So in order to overcome the problem of unpredictable climate, pest infestations, we have pest control, but still the pesticides are more stronger than these pests. That is, the pests are more stronger than the pesticide, so they are not able to overcome. Water scarcity is a problem worldwide. We have only salt water to feed our plants, and the salt water has to be made pure. So in that sense, agrotextiles can help us. And then soil erosion, in order to we cannot prevent soil erosion. In order to have a control over the soil erosion, we can have agrotextiles. Agrotextiles help us to minimize these particular risks while maximizing yield with less chemicals. We need not go for more of chemicals. We can go for organic based products by using agrotextiles. What are the types of agricultural textiles we use every day? First one is shade net. The shade net have a control over sunlight, temperature, and also humidity. This is used in nurseries and also greenhouses. Next one is mulch mats, or we can call it as ground cover. They suppress weed growth and also retain soil moisture. That is, the soil won't go dry often. So it retains the soil moisture. It is often made from black or silver foams. Third one is crop cover and fleece. Lightweight fabric covers which protect against insects, frost, and also wind. Next one is insect nets. Fine mesh barriers to prevent insect entry without any chemical spray. For example, for cauliflower and all, we have to spray chemicals in every stage of its cultivation or else harvesting. So it's a very easily it is prone to insect. So in such cases, we can use insect nets and we can reduce the level of chemicals which are used. So next one is windbreak nets. They reduce the speed of wind and they protect the delicate or else the soft crops which are being harvested. Then the next one is bird protection nets. These are used in vineyards, that is where fruits are grown, and they prevent damage and early pluck. Anti-hail nets. They also protect crops from hail damage, common in fruit cultivation. Next one is root bale nets. They support plant in nurseries to hold soil, small plants to hold soil, and the plant's roots or support climbing plants so that the plants won't wither away on EC destroyer. What are the applications of these agrotextiles? Agrotextiles are used in open field farming, greenhouses, shade houses, horticulture, floriculture, aquaculture, agroforestry, etc. They are also widely applied in soil erosion control, water conservation, and also landscaping. What benefits we claim from these agriculture textiles? We have higher crop yield due to better growth conditions, reduced pesticide, promoting organic farming, lower water requirements, that is for that is a, while we control the moisture retention, we can go for lower water requirement, and then protection against extreme weather like frost, fog, heat, etc., hailstones, etc. Environment sustainability, especially with biodegradable options. What are the real world examples? In India, shade nets are commonly used to grow capsicum and tomatoes in controlled conditions, because when the climate temperature is very high, we use shade nets. In Spain, large scale use of plastic crop covers in Almeria to grow vegetables year round. Okay. And in Japan, anti-bird nets are used in rice and paddy fields. Africa, uh, agrotextiles help to conserve water where the rainfall is very poor, and thus it can help farmers. New developments include biodegradable mulch films, which are produced from starch and polylactic acid. Polylactic acid is a biodegradable polymer. These smart textiles, they release fertilizers slowly and respond to soil moisture. Solar integrated shade nets are also used nowadays by farmers. What are the challenges farmers face while using agrotextiles? It's not economical. They have to pay a huge cost for the initial investment for the use of agricultural textiles. So agricultural textiles are more than just farming tools. They are a step toward smarter, cleaner and more sustainable agriculture, whether to protect crops, to increase the crop yield, and to protect the fertility of the soil. Thank you.